For the chocolate strawberries, fairly simple, but I have my strawberries, parchment paper, and a baking cookie tray. Now you can use foil as well, but I just feel like these strawberries tend to stick a lot less to parchment paper rather than on foil. For the chocolate, I like to use any chocolate flavored melting wafers. Ghirardelli is my favorite. It's just microwavable, super easy. Grab your bowl, and it says to microwave for 30 seconds and then stir. And if they're not fully melted in 30 seconds, then 15 seconds additionally. Chocolate wafers are microwaved, so let's give that a stir. Alright, finally. I thought my wrist was gonna fall off. So this is the perfect consistency I need to start dipping our chocolates. So just grab from the tippy top, roll it around, give it a little shimmy, and plop. Roll in, shimmy, Okay, so meanwhile those set, let's do some bonbons. Do you guys like bonbons? I don't like bonbons, but I know people like bonbons. Meanwhile, I was doing the bonbons. These practically almost are set because my strawberries were in the fridge. I think the chocolate just about hardened. So with some of them, I'm just gonna do a chocolate drizzle just to make them a little extra pretty. Okay, let's make our first boxed goodies together today, and it's fairly simple, at least I think it is, but I'll be using this box here. This is, I believe, an 8 by 8 inch box, and I'll be covering it with tissue paper. Just so it's a little extra, you know, pretty or something. For my goodies, I want to put them in these cupcake liners. Some are fun, some are plain. But this would be perfect for gifting to someone for any special occasion, really. I think this would be perfect for my cousin because she does not like cake. I know, she's a weirdo. I also have chocolate covered bonbons. I could put two at a time for those ones. And then finally my macarons. I've seen people stack these just by themselves because I do have quite a few. So I'll stack these without the liners. I don't feel like the liners are necessary for these ones. I could see it with the strawberries because they do tend to sweat sometimes. You know what? I want to brush some of these with a little bit of gold. So I have Truly Matte Plastic powder, and it's my favorite gold powder that I've been able to find because it's not transparent at all and it has the perfect amount of shine. And I'll be watering that down with some vodka and then brushing it over my macarons. Just like that. Look how pretty. you have it. Super fast, pretty simple. Looks good, right? Can't wait for them to pick these up. Ta-da!